ating vlog. So in this day, we will talk about calamities and other things. By the way, my name is CJ Tumanya and let's go to my vlog. What is a natural calamity? A natural calamity is also known as a natural disaster. It's an event across natural forces that result in significant damage, destruction, and loss of life. Example of natural calamities include earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, wildfires, tsunamis, volcanic eruption, and and typhoons. These events are often incredible and can be served impact on the environment and human population. What are the natural calamities in the Philippines? The Philippines is prone to several natural calamities due to its geographical location. Some of the most common natural calamities in the Philippines include: number 1, typhoons. The Philippines experiences an average of 20 typhoons every year. 2, earthquake. The Philippines is located along the Pacific Ring of Fire, making front to earthquakes. 3, volcanic eruption. The Philippines has several active volcanoes including Mount Mayon, Mount Taal, and Mount Pinatubo can cause ashfall, pyroclastic flows, and lahars. 4, floods. Experiences heavy rainfall throughout the year. 5, landslides. Steep terrains and heavy rainfall make the Philippines susceptible to landslide. What are the do's and don'ts before, during, and after the disaster? Do. Create an emergency plan with your family. Make sure you have a disaster supply kit with essential event to food, water, first aid. Stay informed about the potential for disaster in your area. Don't try to outrun a disaster such as tornado. Attempt to drive through flooded roads or ignore evacuation order. After the disaster, do check for injuries and provide basic first aid if needed. Check your home of structural damage and make sure it's safe to enter. Follow proper safety protocols when cleaning up debris. Don't enter to building that has been structurally compromised. Use generators or other gas power equipment indoors as they can produce monoxide. Attempt to drive through flooded roads. Mount Pinatubo, Zambales. It is an active stratovolcano found in Zambales. It has a height of 1,486 meters. 1991, it is its strongest eruption, called VEY6, is very large eruption, and it also low the temperature of the world of 0.5 degrees Celsius to 1991 to 1993. These are the most dangerous volcanic in the Philippines.